Alright guys, we're going to take a quick look at the Spigen's liquid air for the S24 Ultra. I picked this up on Amazon. As you can see, the prices range between $16 and $17. Okay, first we're going to check out the deep purple real quick around the box. It's not a whole lot to see in the Spigen boxes. Alright, it's military grade protection. It's a TPU style case, but it's a lot stronger than TPU, if that makes sense. So you can see, you got the bridges on the side there, all the cutouts are open. All right, let's slap it on, see how it fit. And to those of you that have protection over your lenses and your flashes, let you know now this case fits it perfectly. The cutouts are just wide enough to go over the covers, and it fits the case, fits the phone flush. All right, that was real quick a look around. You can see how the cutouts open, the S Pen pops out with no problem. All right, real cool case. I like it. It's strong, and I feel like the price is fair. All right, as you saw, I had different colors. This one is the Abyss Green. Right. Naturally, y'all gonna fit the same as the exact same case. I just got it in different colors, so you guys can see it firsthand, help you make a decision. All right. I really like this one. I like this color green. It didn't do much for the color of my phone because you can still see it on the back, but this color green is really good. All right. Let's check out another color. Marble gray. Marble gray. That's nice. Nice flat gray color. Look comparison there to the green. Let's pop it on real quick and see how it looks. Right. Remember, guys, I'm gonna drop the link below. I got all these cases from Amazon. All right, and I believe I got the only 4 colors they had. So buttons, volume rocker, power. I'm showing you it's got a little edge on it to definitely protect your screen. I do have a screen protector on my S24 Ultra. You don't really need it, but it came with a couple of cases. So last but not least, matte black. All right, that's a nice flat black, matte black. Everybody needs to own a black case, at least one. Right, black goes with everything. Let's pop it on real quick. Real nice feel to it. These cases feel good in the hand. I love the texture feel on it. Real nice. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and share.